Hey guys, it's Sarah. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a cook and clean with me. I hope this video gives you some motivation to clean or cook something, and I hope you'll enjoy it. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe if you like what you see. I'll be very happy to have you here. Today I'm making chicken and rice. This is very easy recipe, you can do it in one pot, so it doesn't require much cleaning after. This meal is very convenient for the days that you don't have a lot of time to cook, but you want a nice home-cooked meal. It's also perfect for meal prepping if you do it. You can also add some mushrooms or vegetables like tomatoes or red pepper. I cook rice in the same pot because I think that it has much more flavor that way, but you can also cook it in separate pot and then mix it together at the end to save even more time. And that is the final product. You can serve it like that or with some vegetables on the side. Now that I'm done with the cooking, I will start cleaning my kitchen and I will tidy my living room as well. have some laundry to fold, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And at the end, I will sweep and mop the floors in my kitchen. So that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a like or a comment down below. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe before you go. As always, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!